arrest is being announced in multiple counties in your area from local authorities. 2,825 people have gone missing. The following counties include Knox County, Horst County, Haddon County. It is suspected that most of these missing people have become victims of falling out of reality into the backrooms. The backrooms is a space outside our reality, where you can no-clip into, which the chances are highly unlikely you will ever leave. The backrooms is described as having endless yellow rooms and hallways with damp musty carpet. The environment may change over time to be any familiar place you have been to with a very empty and lonely atmosphere. You will be alone and will most likely never find anyone. There is a high chance you will run into things that aren't human. Do not make any attempts to communicate with these entities. You will need to run away as quickly as possible. These entities come in many different species, shapes, and sizes. In behalf of the local authorities, we would also like to mention that these entities are now no-clipping out of the backrooms and are phasing into our reality. There have been reports of home intrusions and deaths from these entities. If you are missing a friend or family member, it is most likely they have fallen victim to death of an entity or have fallen into the backrooms. These entities, as mentioned in our previous broadcast, can communicate through radios or television sets. They can mimic human beings and even appear as normal people who are victims of the backrooms. It is crucial to know who is missing and who isn't so you can distinguish if everyone is who they say they are. Make sure to lock all your doors and windows and stay armed to defend your household and family. If you hear a knocking at your door in the middle of the night, they will be waiting for you.